Yo everyone, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a website and a coding website. First of all, in my website, I want to make a startup. So that means I need to create a program that can open the file, HTML file, making it a website. So first of all, I will briefly explain you how to create the program. First of all, you need to import Tkinter OS and web browser. So web browser, you don't need to do it, but if you import web browser, the program will run smoothly. So yeah, from the import oh, import web browser, you don't need this, but it's good if you can import it also. Import OS, and then I need to put as root here root.type. So in here we can type the program name you would like to add. In my case, I'll add Lahan Tech website. So you can add it, even change colors using the font option. So now I'll add root. So root dot icon. Root dot icon, and then I can add the. So in my file I do have logo.ico, so that will be my input to this command. That will be my logo. So logo.ico. So now to check if this working with, I need to add root.new, and boom, we have created that part. So our program is just blank. It should be blank with the title and the logo. And so first we have to save. I forgot to save in the desktop code and website. Okay, so it should be saved in the it is saved. Now you can run and see whether it's working in the terminal. cd, and that's where my code is saved. So python app.py. Yes, it's blank. We have the logo and the title. So now we can create the root.geometry, and we have to make a size that we like, about 600 into 800. Yeah, that will be great. See, too bad. So 6, and let's change the values and see how it comes. I need to create a very small program. No, too much. I had to create then 600 to 600. How does it look? Bad. 5. Let's keep this as 6 and change this as 200. That will be very small. Yes, let me change it as 400. That will be great, but I don't think it will match to the background image we are going to put. So pg equals photo image. So my file will be a thing I'm gonna import is the image in here, igno1.png. igno1.png. Now we have to add it as a my label. That means a variable we like, so it will show up on the screen in the root section. So like this. Now we need to add image equals bg, showing that it's a variable of an image. And so then we have to add dot place, and now we have to add the coordinates where we need to add this our background. So I prefer adding 0 to every command in this. So now I need to change the height of and width, so I'm adding the height, and this I prefer as 1, and width I prefer as 1 too. Now it should show on the screen in BG. So yes, it did. Now as you see in here, we can't use it because the image is very big. So I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna add this too, and no, that above 500. Let's see about that. Then we add 4. So you can even resize your image as the app. I'm just doing it because it's very easy. Now I need about here, yes. Then I had to increase the width. So yes, exactly. So now I would prefer if I do this command before I create my other variables. So resizable, okay, that would be easy to continue the program with, and boom. So in my case I'm using PyCharm, I forgot to tell you about that. And you don't need to import web browser if you don't like. I need to repeat that because I added for the Sweet program to run it like this smoothly. And then we have to create, now we are going into the inner stuff, like deeper into the programming we are going to create. So now we are going to create label 1. Label 1 equals label. Now we are going to add it to the root section like this, text equals, and I will add, so in here I have to add like a welcome thing, you know. So I'll add welcome to my website. So we are gonna add a font, so I don't think I can add more, but I can change the font to a exact size I need. So I can add Helvetica. Now if you're thinking what I'm typing in Helvetica, which is kind of a font you can type in Google and the other fonts also, I like this font because it has an incredible, I mean the thickness of the every texture of that font, so that's why I added that. Now I'm going to change label 1. No, I had to add label 1 and put it inside the Tkinter program, so that's why I had to add this. So paddy 30. Now let's see if it's working as we want it to be. Yes, welcome to my website. So in that case we can even large font. So how about, I don't need to, okay, that's enough. Yes, now I can add background color also. About, I like to add yellow over here. It's bad. How about net white, wait, on blue, yeah, that matches, then yellow. I'm kind of a weird guy, so I'm going to stick with blue. And now we have to create a button that can open the file that I need in HTML. So now I have to create a function. In the function area we have to add def open file. I mean you can add anything to the command section and I don't care about that. So now we can add any function you like, but in this case you have to follow my path, or else you can use another function you like. But in here os.start file, we need that mainly. So now we have to open a file, specific file. So now I have an old program that I have a file, so I'm going to copy that, copy, and this is a HTML file. I made it for just a test. We will make a HTML file for this website only. Now we are just testing it. I'll just show you. Yeah, this is how we make it. And we are gonna add some background pictures. I made this for test to show you guys. So now I had to add the HTML file I got. No. Oh, wait, what's the thing? 1.html 1 with that. Yes, 1.html. If this works. Oh wait, terminal and laptop file. Yes, I guess it works. It didn't give any error message, so we're gonna get back from the command section and create a button. We need, of course, so button, we don't need to add a variable because we're gonna add only one button. So I'm just gonna keep it as button and root. And now we have to add the text we like to. In my case, I'll add click me or something. Text, yes. Now I have to add like visit. Okay, that's great, that's great. Okay, now we can also add the font equals Helvetica. I'm gonna stick with Helvetica for now, and I will add about, I don't know, 20. Yes. So now I'd make, this is very important part of the whole code. You have to create a button to open the thing, right? So for now I'm gonna not connect the function to the button, just checking if it can actually like, does it show? Yes, it shows. So in my case it's not enough, so I'm gonna add 70 or something. Let's see how let's just make it to about 50, and let's see. Nice. No, we have to make it a little smaller so I can add the other features I needed to add before the website. So like, yeah, now the button is just like this. There are no functions, nothing. So then this, okay, now I have changed the patty like 34 about, yeah, that will fix the big gap. Yeah, understandable. So now we can add the last part. No, wait, before that let's connect this function, okay, or else it will be hard to connect after we add the last code. Command and open file. Yeah, now let's check if it works. Oh, something went wrong. So it find open itself. That's gonna be an issue. This it, and it works. So the little thing was we can't add the brackets inside open.file. So if we do that, the file will automatically open itself, so don't do that. So using this, this will happen if you add the brackets. So that's why I erase the brackets. Now program should work properly. Let's see. Now nothing open, that means visit, and it worked. So now it opened the file we want also. Now the last thing I need to add the label tree. text and that so created craft, and then I'll just keep it like this. Variable 3 dot pat was Perry and 37, and here I write font. Wait. Vertica and 30. That should fix all the problems. And oh, seems like there's a problem with button and system I was gonna add, so we have to change it. And yes, basic. Now I need to change the color of the button also, make it red. So we do BG. Wait, where's the BG one? I need. Oh yeah, here we go. Red. Visit. Nice. And now we have to add another little thing. So I'll talk about this in the next program in the second part of this. So we have created the main geometry and the foundation of the website and the program. So this is the result, and we'll change it to like black borders and add some things, little features, and maybe I'll not change anything like this, just make the HTML program and connect it to this program by Visit. And yeah, thank you for watching guys, see you in the second part.